Alright, hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Salesforce Makes Sense. This is Himanshu and we are continuing our Lightning Web Components masterclass. In the previous tutorial, I talked about LWC versus Aura and when to choose what, right? In this video, we'll talk about browser support. Which browsers does LWC support? Alright, so it's very basic, it's very simple, straightforward, nothing to explain here, but just so you know, alright, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, all the latest versions are something that LWC supports. So no concerns over there. All right. In terms of the mobile side of it, iOS and Android, mobile Safari, right? The Safari browser on your mobile, iOS, and Chrome for Android. So the Chrome application that you have on your Android phones, all of it is supported. The only thing it does not support is Internet Explorer because of the resilience of IE, the resilience of the Internet Explorer browser on the modern web APIs, because Internet Explorer does not really, sync much with the modern web APIs. That is the reason why LWC does not support. But the good thing is that not many people use IE. The highest using people are Chrome or Safari, which is kind of covered. And then you have Edge and Firefox, so even that is covered. Alright, so we are good in terms of the browser support, and it is important to know that LWC supports pretty much all the latest stable versions. If tomorrow a release comes in and it kind of impacts one of your browsers, you might have to actually look into it, but should not be a problem sitting today as of now. Alright, that's on the browser support side of it. What about the JavaScript support? That's the next thing I want to discuss. In terms of JavaScript support, you might have to think, why is Himanshu now talking about JavaScript support? Because LWC inherently relies on JavaScript, correct? So the version of JavaScript that is required for LWC is ES6 plus. That is more like the latest JavaScript support framework, ES6 plus. Now tomorrow if someone comes and tells you, do you know like which JavaScript does LWC use, and you can very smartly say it is ES6 plus. All right. So ES6 plus is the latest JavaScript, which means that you get to build and write LWC components using the latest language of JavaScript. All right. LWC also supports modules, all right, classes, decorators, arrow functions, and all of these small features that let you code faster and reuse a lot of the framework. I talked about reusability, right? It is very high. So now if I go to that orange block, it will help you understand what I'm trying to say. JavaScript is like wooden blocks. ES6 plus is like Lego. So if you have some Lego pieces, you can actually build your toy faster, right? You can build a car or an automotive with those Lego blocks. But if you have to start from scratch with each wooden block, you have to paste it, you have to pick it, and you have to build the entire car, it will take a longer time, right? But if I give you some useful pieces that, this is the motor part, this is the engine part, this is the sunroof part, just, combine it and build something on your own. That would be faster. That would require less effort. That would mean you can reuse some of your Lego pieces. So that's how ES6 plus helps you code faster. And that's what the second point says. There are modules, classes, decorators. You don't have to write the same thing always again and again. You can actually use something from the framework and utilize it wherever you need. You don't have to start from scratch. It's more like you don't have to say A for apple. I already say you apple is starting from A. You go ahead and make a sentence out of it. All right. So don't worry about this terminologies, @API, @track, import, export. We'll understand all of it. But what you need to understand right now is LWC supports ES6 plus JavaScript. That's the JavaScript support that you get in LWC, which is pretty much the latest JavaScript language. All right. So once you learn LWC, you can actually go out and say that, I know the latest version of JavaScript also. You can very well say that. I say that. All right. Cool. That's all I wanted to talk about in this video, the browser support and the JavaScript support. In the next tutorial, we'll talk a bit about the security side of it. All right. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.